silent killer. It doesn't scream. It sneaks in through your snacks, your bed, your phone, and it's killing your testosterone. If you want your edge back, listen up. This video will show the 10 hidden signs and the exact fixes that rebuild masculine energy. No fluff. I'm Ali. Real results, real rules. If you want strength, drive, and confidence, subscribe and hit the bell. I'm putting the checklist in the pinned comment so you can track yourself. Check this. If you have any of these, your masculinity is leaking. 1. Crave soda and candy. 2. Mood swings. 3. No morning erections. 4. Always pale, cold, or drained. 5. Night sweats for no reason. 6. Trouble sleeping. 7. Loss of ambition and drive. 8. Weaker handshake or shaky grip. 9. Less facial body hair. 10. Soft or shrinking testicles. If you tick 2 or more, this is urgent. I had a guy message me last month. He thought it was just tiredness. He stopped hitting the gym, couldn't finish conversations, and his confidence was gone. We fixed the habits, not miracles. Habits change hormones. That's the point. The fix. Practical, no BS. 1. Sleep cold and deep. Keep bedroom temperature low. Cooler sleep helps hormone health and deep REM. No warm room excuses. 2. Magnesium, 400 mg at night. Take magnesium before bed to help sleep quality and recovery. Not a cure-all, but it improves nightly repair. 3. No dopamine hacks for sex. Train right. Stop chasing instant dopamine, social scrolls, porn. Use real-life interaction. Want to learn Kegels to control sexual energy? Comment Kegel. I'll make a full tutorial. 4. Kill sugar, alcohol, trans fats. Soda, candy, processed junk. These wreck hormones and insulin balance. Alcohol messes with sleep and testosterone. Cut them. 5. Nutrition fundamentals, the pillars. Eat foods rich in zinc and vitamin D. Don't be scared of healthy. Cholesterol. Your body needs it to make testosterone. Eat whole eggs, pumpkin seeds, fatty fish when possible, and real meat. Simple, not trendy. 6. Move and talk to women. Lift heavy. Squeeze, exert, challenge your grip, and get social. Talking to women in real life rebuilds confidence and natural dopamine cycles. Do's and don'ts rapid fire. Do cold sleep, eggs, pumpkin seeds, lift, practice Kegels. Get sun for vitamin D. Don't binge sugar, porn, late night drinks, processed trash. If you want the pinned checklist, it's the top comment. If you want a Kegel tutorial for control and stamina, type Kegel below. Smash like if you want more real, no BS health fixes. Subscribe. This channel makes you stronger, smarter, and harder to ignore.